Welcome back, Kryptonians, to the Chart Experts continuing coverage of Bitcoin and the crypto charts. Today we are back looking at Bitcoin. Apologise, I do have a bit of a cold, as do most people, I think, at this time of the year. Okay, so it comes as no surprise, the weakness that we've seen in recent days. If you've been following this channel, you will know that we were expecting it, and it seems very obvious now, doesn't it? So in the last day or so, what we've seen is that the low of December has been taken out, just very slightly, but it has been taken out. Okay, so this low was lower than this low here. Okay. But this is a pattern that we're seeing right now, because we saw this low being taken out here. If we can do that, come back. Okay, so we saw this low, not working. Okay, let's try that again. Right, we saw this low being taken out here, and then that low being taken out there. Okay, so this swing low here took out that low, and then that swing low was taken out here. Okay, so now we've seen this low being taken out here. Okay, so we've seen that low being taken out. That's lower than the previous one. Okay, and we've got this little target here. Okay, so this is likely to continue in our opinion. Okay, so we are likely to see this market move gradually higher, take out that low there. There is liquidity above this level here, so it would be opportune for the market makers to take us back higher, to trap buyers here, okay, who are looking for that breakout above that level. So those people buying here would likely be trapped on the wrong side of the market as the market then moves down again. Okay, so yeah, these are market maker games. They are looking for everyone to be on the wrong side, so to speak. Okay, but as you know, we've been expecting for this market to eventually to roll over. Okay, so that's what we expect to see in this market. I don't know why I keep doing that. Okay, so to basically to roll over. Okay, now another reason why we expect to see short-term strength in this market, apart from this swing failure pattern here, is also because of the expected rotation that we expect to see. Okay, so we are expecting for to see some type of strength in the altcoins, not the big three, not so much the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, not the big three, but outside of the big three, we would expect to see for some of those other altcoins to gain strength, and that would entice Bitcoin holders to effectively, or not let's presume, for example, that we are going to see ETFs in Bitcoin. We already have seen in Bitcoin, but in Ethereum, in Solana, which you would expect, the big three, you'd expect those to get ETFs. Okay, so in order for those ETFs to be positioned correctly in the market for the whales, they would need to accumulate to buy those assets at prices that they want to buy at. Okay, i.e. buy low, sell high. Okay, so we'd expect to see for those markets to be accumulated, and for that accumulation to occur, we'd expect to see lower prices in those assets. Okay, so here we are looking for a rotation to continue to occur, whereby the top three that are being accumulated would gradually, slowly bleed to the downside, whilst everyone focuses their minds on the gains that they are seeing in the other coins. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So that slow bleed and the slow decline in the top three, we would expect to see that. Okay, we'd expect to see that, and that is actually long-term bullish for those assets. Okay, price should not continue to climb higher. That's not a bullish sign, because, as you know, what goes up must come down effectively. Yeah. So here we've already seen Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana gain. Those gains have been wonderful for those holders in those markets, but now the whales want in, and they want to buy at lower prices. Okay, so it makes clear sense if you think about it from that point of view, and it is long-term bullish for those markets. Okay, so effectively we are expecting more sideways action to occur, and then eventually a rollover, that red candle indicating the rollover. Okay, so it's going as expected. Short term, right now, we are expecting for Bitcoin to move sideways. Now, if the unexpected happens here, we could see that low not being taken out. So no new high above 102,000. It could be that we just see a retracement of this current daily wave down, so for the market to effectively move higher here and then to roll over without having taken out that high. But it would be surprising for that high to not be taken out. Okay, bearing in mind the pattern that we're currently seeing and the fact that there is liquidity above this level. Okay, so it's all going to plan, really. These are fun markets to look at, to charts, and to once you understand how the games are played, it's fun to participate in these markets. So let's keep our eyes on it. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it plays out as expected. If not, we can reassess, and I'll be back on another video. So if you like this type of analysis, join us on Patreon. That's patreon.com/chart experts. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research. We could be wrong, but it's a joy to be part of the crypto community, isn't it? So hey, this is Asim at the Chart Experts. Take care of yourself and your crypto. Till next time. Bye bye.